I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really exciting video because we're gonna be making some beaded jewelry. Just before we get into this video, if you guys could do me a huge favor, make sure you do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. I have so much fun putting these videos out, so when I get subscribers, that gives me a little validation that I should keep doing it. So if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, and then even drop a comment down below. Say hello to me, say what's up, say anything you want, as long as it's nice. This is judgment-free zone, remember. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram if you want. My handle is jessie.vivianann. I'll probably be posting pictures of my necklaces there. So, I already made one right here, as you can see. And I look incredibly cool wearing it. I've been noticing that everyone and their freaking mother and dog, they're all wearing little beaded necklaces. So I'm like, I need a beaded necklace. So I made myself one already. And I thought it would be fun to show you guys what I'm up to and how I personally did mine. I just want to put it out there. I'm not an expert, but you are welcome to take my advice. Not that it's like rocket science or anything, but I have a little experience, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my beaded jewelry. First thing you need, obviously, is you need the supplies. So I went to the dollar store, I went to Walmart, I went to Michael's, and I'm here to tell you, dollar store has the best deals. First beads I got was this little set from the dollar store. And if you're just looking to make one, this is honestly, go get this. It's like it's a $3 kit. And obviously you can see it's really cute pink, obviously cute. And it came with the string and the little clasp. So that's how I made this one right here. And then I went back to the dollar store because I was like, I want to make more and I need some like bigger and cooler beads. So I went back and I got this one. It has like butterflies and stars in it, so it's kind of like, it's a little cooler. This one was $4 for just the beads. I wanted the letters, so I found these ones at Walmart. So I'm gonna make Jordan a little bracelet with a J on it with a heart. Is it for Jesse? Yeah. But he can pretend it's like J for Jordan. I got some string at Michael's and also some more clasps. Michael's also had packs like this, but they were $12 at Michael's. So, but I will link everything that I got. I don't think I can link dollar store products, but I'll link you guys some options down below for Michael's and like Amazon and stuff. And I also want to make some other bracelets and necklaces for like maybe some friends or some family too, because I think it's just gonna be fun. I like doing a little craft, and then, I only need so many beaded necklaces, so I'm gonna give some to my peeps. Called Stretch Magic. So it's a bead and a jewelry cord. I don't really know a whole lot about it, but we're about to find out. Oh, shoot, I should have got some scissors. Not getting up because I'm lazy. Also, having a little afternoon coffee in my cute mug that Marta got me 2 years ago for my birthday. I think this is from Urban Outfitters. So cute. Shout out Marta. Ooh, I like how stretchy it is because it's not gonna be like uncomfortable on your skin. Go. So Jordan, this one is for you. I'm just literally gonna knot it a couple times. Hopefully it stays. This one is like honestly held up really well. I guess I've only had it for like probably 2 weeks now, but not doing anything special with the knots here, just tying that baby up. I got it all tied up. I kind of just did like a bunch of little regular knots. I'm hoping that will stay. Not too worried about it, honestly. So color choices here, since it's for my boyfriend, I think I'm gonna give him some blue because he likes blue. Hope these beads aren't too big. Oh, we're fine. We're good. We Gucci. Okay, let's do a little pattern. Blue, 2 white maybe, and then maybe a green. And then I feel like I should get some of these smaller ones from my little dollar store kit here. Be too small to put with. Maybe I'll do 2 more white, or no, 1 white, and then I'm gonna put these little mauve ones in. Colors are so pretty, I find. It's almost like pearl-like. They're so small you can barely see them, eh? stop focusing on me. I know I'm the show, but anyway. You know what, on second thought, I think these big blue and green ones, I feel like they might be a little too big for him to wear on his wrist. I think it'll be cute for a necklace, but I think I'm just gonna keep the smaller ones going for him. I like doing a pattern. I feel like it's just too chaotic to just randomly put the beads on a string, but if that's kind of like your vibe, I would just recommend just rolling with that, because doing crafts and making stuff like this is just kind of like for you and like your own enjoyment. If that's what you want to do, you should just do it. Okay, I'm gonna make him one similar to mine. If I look sunburned, it's because I am. I went to the beach today, forgot to bring sunscreen, and you know how that goes when you're white like me. Do a lot of singing. My head's kind of cut off, eh? Oh, there we go, a little better. I want to make myself a J necklace with the stars and the butterflies. Butterflies? Oh, I cannot wait to get the butterflies going. I have some exciting videos coming up. I'm currently awaiting my Shein order. Of course, I'm gonna be doing a Shein haul, and I cannot wait because, you know what, you guys? I'm gonna be looking so fire in my new clothes. I don't think you guys are ready for it. I just don't think that. Everything I got is so cute and it's so cheap. I cannot wait to share it with you guys because I feel like everyone needs to do a Shein order for the summer. So I have my Shein haul coming. I thought this was a really cool video idea. It's like very easy, like everyone can do this, which is kind of fun. It's not like you have to be like rich to buy beads. Yeah, if you're just gonna do like one or two, buy this kit for $4 at the dollar store. And you know what? Got a little afternoon activity, $4 plus a piece of jewelry at the end. Can't beat it. Also, my birthday is this week, so I'm thinking I might do a birthday vlog, but we'll see. I'm not sure if I really want to vlog my birthday because, like, you know, I kind of want to live in the moment. I might. We'll see. We'll see what the vibe is. It's on a Thursday. Too bad it's on a Friday, but I think I'm gonna try to take Friday off work so I can just like chillax and not work, you know? Birthday vlog could be fun. Also, I thought I'd give you guys a little update. This is what it looks like so far. It's pretty cute. I'm gonna put like my hand behind it. I can probably put the J on soon, actually. I want it to be in the middle. Oh, this is so cute. I love it already. He's gonna be so excited when he comes home. He's actually at the beach right now. Oh, it's like upside down for you guys. Oh my goodness, so adorable. He's gonna love it. All right, here is the finished product. Oh, I'll put it on for you guys, actually. Honestly, I probably didn't even need to put the clasp on for the bracelet. Oh my gosh, so cute. I made it a little bigger because I assume his wrist is a little bigger, but very satisfied with how this one turned out. So now I've done that, I'm going to make myself another necklace. I think I'm gonna kind of make it a little shorter than this one because I want it to be more of like a choker style. This one's gonna be like really funky, like a weekend necklace, if you know what I mean. Break another piece off here and get started. Hey, I just finished this one. It looks so adorable. Love that. And I'm going to try it on. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh, 10 out of 10. I feel like such like a cool girl wearing this. Like my vibes are so on right now. Do you guys like it? I think it's so adorable and I think they're so cute together. Okay, I just had such a good idea. I think I'm gonna try to make a little beaded ring. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I'm gonna try. So since I have such like small beads here, little tiny ones will be good to make them, like, you can't even see them, they're so small. But I'm not gonna put a clasp on because I'll just be able to like slip it on because it's like stretchy and stuff. Oh my gosh, I think this is gonna be hard. I'm just gonna tie one in a knot. Oh, I literally tied it in the middle of my string. That's not good, Jessie. That's not good. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, so here's a little update. This is what my ring looks like. So I'm literally just gonna take these two strings and tie them in a knot, and this is going to be my ring. This is so cute. Why didn't I think of this little idea sooner is my question. I'm just gonna tie it like that. My hands are sweaty. Oh no, no, no! I just dropped some of my beads. Okay, I finally tied it. I still have like a little bit of the excess string, but okay. How freaking cute is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm cool. I feel this, wearing these beads makes me feel so cool. I can't explain it. So cute. So cute. Okay, it fits this finger better. Okay, I'm gonna make like 100 more because they're adorable. Make yourself some beaded jewelry. That's all I can say. Make it. It's fun. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So much fun to do a little craft, get a little creative, practice my patterns. Overall, love this activity. I definitely recommend everyone trying it out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. And if you end up making any necklaces or jewelry, tag me on Instagram and show me what you made. Can't wait to see it. Anyway, this has been a blast, but I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.